There are probably 6 masters of the craft. I've had the pleasure of studying with 4 of them. The days of emailing your headshots and going on simple casting calls is over. I'm not going to pat you on the back. The reality is I've thrown people out of my class. You have to do this and you have to love this more than anything. This is the only time I'll allow you to take this out. Let's start with you. Guys, it's known that actors only use 1% of their income. All right, Andy. What are you doing?
It's a monologue from the play Touched by an Alien. I found this monologue from the play called Touched by an Alien.
Okay.
And it's called Alien Goo.
All right.
And you'll see why when I finish it. But it's basically about this group of space expeditionary folks that are traveling throughout the universe, conquering planets and trying to acquire them and take all their resources and move on to another planet. So it doesn't matter what kind of alien race they are, they just go from planet to planet trying to conquer and grow this galactic charter that they have established.
Probably reptilian. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So Captain, you think these aliens will sign our Galactic Confederation Charter? The last ones were pretty stubborn, but just promise me that this time you're not going to chop their hands off. I got alien goo all over my iPod. It still doesn't work, right? Oh, here comes our guest of honor. Mr. Alien, good morning. Hold on, come back here. I got to do a quick scan. Make sure, yep, alien. Huh? Normal alien.
Cut. All right. Sulu. Check off. Captain Kirk. Lieutenant Uhura.
Oh, me?
No.
Oh.
All right. You have the bridge. Come on, you're Lieutenant. Anybody ever watch Star Trek?
Yeah.
Have a seat. You ever watch Star Trek?
Yeah.
You're the little thing, and you're the only one that makes out with Captain Kirk. All right. Guys, run it, improv, Captain Kirk, Sulu, Chekhov. You know how to do all that stuff. You guys see Star Trek before? I'm sure I'm not the only one. You see the show, right? Come on, run it. I want you, you've seen the show, right?
Yes, of course.
Do this like Captain Kirk. Lost Shakespearean.
Okay. Mr. Zulu, bring us around the orbit, please.
Oh, sure.
Mr.
No, you don't got to
Chekhov.
stand up. He knows what you do.
Oh. Prepare for landing.
Yes, Captain.
Now, Commander, do you think these aliens will sign the Galactic Confederation Charter?
Wait, you forget. Usually you're making out with Lieutenant Uhura.
Don't mind the braces.
You're doing fine.
Lieutenant,
Is he really going still?
No!
I'm following his advice. Sounds good to me.
I just want to get a minute.
All right. No, because from the last show, we had someone from Star Trek in the show last time.
And we'll get to
God.
All right, just fit it in. I want you to picture. The reason I put this here is before I walk in, I still audition, but before I walk into that audition room, I picture what is happening. I take that moment and close my eyes, visually see what is happening. Walk into that room, in that, you know what I mean? If this is that, I would create the bridge. I would make out with Lieutenant Uhura, because that's what we do, right? Not you, but Lieutenant Uhura. Is that her name?
I don't know.
it's Uhura, actually.
You say Uhura, I say Uhura. Right, and I would walk into that situation in that phase. Take it.
Mr. Sulu, bring us down to orbit.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chekhov, prepare for landing.
Yes, Captain.
Lieutenant Uhura. Meet me in my cabin later on tonight. Now, Commander, you think these aliens are going to sign the Galactic Confederation Charter? The last ones were very, very stubborn. And by God, do not cut their hands off this time. Got alien goo all over my iPod. Still doesn't work right. Oh, here it comes. Mr. Alien, please. You do a quick scan.
And then
Yeah.
Scotty comes, Captain, we're breaking apart. I'm trying to hold it together, Captain.
Scotty, not right now. I'm trying to get
You're
the
gonna have
alien
to fire
sign
me,
the charter.
Captain. All right.
Have a seat, Mr. Alien. Now, would you care for some coffee, some tea? I could generate just about any. Can you get us some coffee soon? No? Savage. All right, Mr. Alien, this is not going to mean a lot to you, but I need your handprint on this device right now. And basically what that means is that you assign our GCC and that your planet and all the resources will be ours. And in exchange, look at this, you will get your very own personalized GCC coin with your own serial number, and on the back, a holographic image of our leader. Don't you like that? Isn't that pretty? Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Isn't that nice? Look. Oh! He hit me in the eye. He hit me in the eye, that son of a bitch.
Captain, I'll take care of it.
Vaporize him.
And then red, and then a deep
It's
blue.
a gun to your
and
head.
When you're out there doing your monologue for him, you get real-time adjustments.
Which most men never feel, then saw to it.
I am so thankful to have a talent like John Pallotta here in DC coming down from New York.
That you have for acting and apply it to this.
He's also one of the most practical instructors I've ever met in terms of getting that dichotomy of working the business and the craft of acting
Take it
together.
to a deeper place without yelling.
In the practice of the art.
Yeah. You know, you guys in real life have personalities, right? Bring that personality to that. You know.